Ndizi TV News Digital pega sensemo ya YouTube na boto nyora Ndizi TV News onya chingaki na boto tweet at Ndizi TV News wa karenga likia gitume gutira se namba era se screen grabuna manga ndo korekana imene iskia usingo kuboli bono kaba munanchi Ikomi area karuto kwa na chon ke batio yo kwene kuna marugune chibi chago cheira senjera ya bene eriane Brighton Makori. Tiga bantuya jake korwa se county eri ya Nyamira sibono ose kubatikana nogo kwa ericha onsi moyorenge omuraibwa bange asebunge ya Nyamira nando lengo mwe msibwe wodi ya Amayia ni gobono ebunge yori tukolero ya nyarage komochora aperimose koiraribaga erio una omuraibwa bange asebunge yo ya Nyamira gorengana ne kiama kya UBA ni gobono kyanyarire kigotomoro boti gujestiumba jubrali garabanyarire bagoitabirana ningane iyo na batabuna barabu ni gobaikerete ngane iyo na batabuna apel mukaya mose anyarega koira libagerio muno murai bwebunge ensemeyo apel mukaya mose ni gakurwa se ewodi ya mawawa erindenere anyarire kaokwane ligweta sembe yone lirube elianyarire gotomwa korwa ase kiama kya UBA ekikebwa tumbaro omonge bwabarayi abange osabarayi abange ase county yo ya Nyamira kutoska bosyo teturaigwa ngaki banyara bagokwana anekrabono aberimose agochikwira libaga yokoba omurayi bwabange ase bunge yo ya Nyamira
oisara sabuni party na koranga belnero isaine kwa igwa o majority leader kurase party kwa kire party nkima ya UPA bya mona sencheri bagamwangeire erinde nyara gukora abantu banyamira igasi cyento ngotebe kenene tugani cyobomo ase county ya Nyamira mo especially county assembly ya Nyamira kisegi cyaborro asinga kie kurmayaga bon no gotebanya sai na to gisemiro bongaini kisegi kikinyare kohera eyende tuganite no bomo gukwanira na somo yobo bwororo tore tugenderi Nyamira yaito igo ngoboria abashimwa baito bonsipi moseneto minto ngo mogwimene repo ito aba MP bonsipi bane asiji constituency chitoinye naba MC bonsipi tobwatira nebono tutie kurutanira magana tutige kurutana magana torete tokonye county yaito tobwatsi umugavana erindanya koreta maendeleo amaendera
aborokiwani gobagendete kwiroberia gochesa matema manene yo mwaka oyo ase kiraskiri gya grade 6 abajokora kepsea baliba kirasi kya 5 gatuto baliba jokora matema KCP aliaryo yo mwelio asomoroberio o 844 boigo ekera borokiwa bekirasi kubina kwero endete kwiroberia gochesa matema manene a KCSE aborokiwa kurwa skuru ya omwali yego toka se wodi ya Liana na barombara tuko maiga anekrabendete kwiroberia gochesa matema manene yego toka sebunge ya abonchari muri kitonde mostubino ara senseme yekrende tutubwateria engane yikonde jine chibita tutomeire ngakyo murobero endete asenseme yanene ekaraborokiwa ubago saberwa irikobe kwa somonene krabendete kwari ngochesa matema manene yo mwaka oyoiga Ekeratoko sukabosyo ni gabagambi korwase binyoro aho korwase county ya Kisii itkolya banyarire bakomerana asomsangano kurawa no mo county commissioner bwe county ya Kisii Tom Anjere erigo kwanira gose kerobale nabarayi bande korwa ase Chinsa mo chebigambero gose abana chebina agosaba wakire korwa sebigambero bya Gusii erigo kwanira igoro yamangana yechindemero ase county ya Kisii baokwana korwa sensemeyo ya Etis Agriculture Trading Center ase county ya Kisii nigo batena enere nchire yamo yogo chamo na kurigireria emeroberio eranyarege kobekwa ase chindemero ase county ya Kisii boigo omosangero inigo nyarego wikerwa agoikanwa no Moran registrar we county ya Kisii asibana bandete gukwanira mangana abere atatu igoro yokubeke boroso asensemo yechindemero
may not want to go that direction. The only assurance I want to give you is that we have agreed to partner with the judiciary in initiating alternative dispute resolutions in the county. We have agreed that the respective chiefs and assistant chiefs carry out a credible public participation so that we come up with a structure on how these alternative dispute resolution can be effectively implemented in the county. If we're able to sieve the sentiment, the feelings on how the structure can be put in place, that would be the best way forward.
And disputes, and people need to take those mechanisms rather than take the law into their hands. We have different kinds of disputes. We have boundary disputes. We have land where one person is claiming his title overlaps another title. We also have multiple titles on the same land. Land disputes are varied. So all those categories of disputes are there.
Ekertogo sukabosyo nigobono amasaibu aendete kumusongera omugabana bwe county ya Meru Kawira Mwangasa anekero nande oroboti gose emotion ya nyarigego ikiwa asebunge ye county iyo aneyerengete gochiko mwaka isiko gati ya mamojo alikawira bekeire ngamo nokolika abantu korwase inyomba yabo oboigo no gotabwati amachiko asokora county iyo amangana yegigo ase ebunge iyo na omoraibwa abange asebunge ya Meru nigo bano barigeti na gochiko mwaka isiko mugabana abwe county iyo Kawira Mwangasa oyo ikiamangana ibina na otebi ni majority leader gosemuno osomoraibwa abange asebunge ya Meru Evanisi Mawira kahali oibano oteruna oike round ye Kawira agenda isiko.
At the Makori rally at Makori on 16 September 2023, which is saved in the flash disk presented herewith and the transcript of which is produced on pages 52 to 53 of the exhibits. Count number 2, Honorable Speaker, nepotism and related unethical practices. The governor has grossly violated, among others, Articles 10, Articles 232, 235, and 236 of the Constitution, Sections 12, 17, and 24 of the Public Officer Ethics Act, 2003, Sections 13, Subsection 1, BF, Subsections 16 and 24 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and Sections 55, 59, 59A, 60, 62, 63, 64, and 65 of the County Governments Act 2012 by engagement, convenience, and/or complicity in the following: A. Fraudulently misrepresenting the governor's relatives as a technical team for purposes of travel to China to inspect and certify cancer treatment equipment while knowing that the governor's
Basta Ezekiel Odero nigobono arobredi gochikonyora omweso anenekero abakamati ose abaseneta bali barase kamati eri ari kumulingori yanyareke gotara mpaka ase kanisa yaye eri korigereria ng'aki kanisa yagenderete ose na kimo pasto yo ose na esonaneti na mang'ana ande kobwa ari yubo Kristo korengana naba goseneta abo banyaroteana ekorengana barabo mbarara mamocho manke ose mbaro chimocho esekiranyarga kobekerwa anekero bakorete etaro oika ase ensemeyo ya pasto sekeri asakoboigo pasto sekeri niga togiri abaseneta abo asokore taro yabo oika ensemeyo eri kwerorera na alia kugendera ase kanisa hiyo.
Tumeangalia pale tuliambiwa ni makaburi. Tumeona kwamba ni mahali ambapo ni construction site. Kwa hivyo kuna mambo kadha wa kadha ambayo tulitaka kuyajua. Na pia tulimhoji pastor kufafanua mambo kadha wa kadha ambayo pengine alikuwa hayako clear kwa hii kamati.
Upande wangu nashukuru sana serikali kwa ajili ya kuchukua nafasi hii, pia kuruhusu Senate kufika na Senate pia kuja wao mwenyewe na kusema kwamba kando na yale ambao umesema, wacha tuone, kwa sababu unaweza ukaongea na ukaficha mengine. Kwa hivyo yote ambayo wameangalia na wamechunguza watayaweka wazi.
Omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo agenderete koba sense ya China anene ekaragendete koroberia na kubeke meroberio yogosirana nense ya China erikwe mukia magendero ase ense ya Kenya akaukwana asenseme yo na baraibande asenseme ensi ya China ni athena ensi ya Kenya wikiwathena na njere yamo ensi ya Kenya gukina no kubathena na China asemeroberio ao na kwagacha emeche menene ase ensi ya Kenya anabuno mochori Okonsa City erikomukerio bonjereri asensi ya Kenya.
I'm delighted for the 11 companies which have launched the Kenya and Konsa Medical City, their $160 million special purpose investment vehicle, which arrives in Kenya on time to take advantage of our universal health coverage, as well as Zende Medical Company, who have also set up in Kenya. I want to appreciate your investment and look forward to working with all the investors that are working in Kenya.
Ekarotoko sukabosiona nekatotigarita sense ya China Jing Chongkong oyoro munyakerobo o Kenya na China Chamber of Commerce oyo nero nyareka abuna okokina wa uchumi yense ya Kenya wiga Kenya yarege kwarigani bali bakoro bonchereri ao osoa sense ya Kenya na ukinie birengo bya uchumi yense ya Kenya.
We have an MOU with Can Invest. Let's make it easy and possible. Your Excellency, now you can see the fruit. As a chamber, Your Excellency, we have noticed the trade imbalance caused by several challenges. You will appreciate that the trade comes before investment. Getting markets of products made in Kenya is expensive. The cost of marketing made in Kenya within the country and in Africa is costly. This is making it a challenge to convince investors to invest in Kenya and to manufacture for Africa. Your Excellency, to solve this problem, we propose to have factories that were established by building a common marketing platform. For example, factories to making mobile phones in Kenya, and some making chargers, some making these phone covers, and for them to do marketing for their own products.
Omori kiobotamba sewisara ayo kuimokereria obonchereri amo nubwagachi which industry abupakali hasanera nigago keirengane iyo ya Kenya nyari kubata na China aso kini na kwagache biwanda ao asensi ya Kenya erigo konya bonchereri kwegenderia na kubeke mirobiri yabo ya bene asobokorari bugokinie biasara no bonchereri asensi ya Kenya neri ya China.
We want to move China to become our largest investment partner in Kenya. What we are doing right now, we are strengthening our economic diplomacy to expand our shared economic prosperity, broadening and deepening our investment relationship through addressing the challenges and opening opportunities, unlocking the opportunities so that you can exploit them, tap them, and enable Kenya to realize its potential. So my pitch today is I'm pitching Kenya not as a lending destination. I'm pitching Kenya not as an aid destination. I'm pitching Kenya as an investment destination. And my message to the Chinese investors and businessmen is that Kenya is open for business. Kenya is ready for business. Kenya is safe for business. And we mean business.
Ekarabono tokorukuru sense ya China ni gotokwenda ika sense ya South Sudan as Prime Cabinet Secretary Musaid Mudavadi nera koreditaro gochi as enseme ukwana sense ya South Sudan ni gathena emechande gendrete kubwati sense ya South Sudan netakire kurigereriwa elindete nyarage kwambukero ya Chinsa chinde ekyagerese gotambugana na bera abo bosongo as Chinsa gotagendera kodeni gatheni ngane yo nabege kurigereriwa soboime asense yo ya South Sudan.
The country of South Sudan is now carrying a heavy burden of those who are fleeing from the conflict and are seeking refuge and comfort in this country. That is a very big burden, and it requires collective effort, and we are all united that for us to be able to deal with the Sudan crisis, we do not want multiple centers of initiatives. We want to work closely together so that we can have a framework under the IGAD framework, where we have one center to channel all the issues that can help us bring stability in our sister country and in the region. The challenges are immense. The President has explained to us that it's during such crises that extremist groups can penetrate and cause havoc in the region, bearing in mind that we are now seeing even the conflict in the Middle East. So all these can become a very explosive situation.
Aivono naragenderete gokorekana ase inse eoseime na isko ya Gusii kikoraga Chinsa ikumina ningira na semesi nkumanyia mangi banandete gwateka ime na isko ya Gusii anene ninjo kumanyinga yumura ibo mabwasi mioro moja Raila Amolo Odinga arenge anekera aumirana nabasae asumusangana obo litukura lero ayungati yana kwareniri kikoraga Chinsa ikobicha wano toske nero Ndizi TV wansu bomusi Neodovodana John Kebati yone kuna mali wine chibicha goje ira senjera bene wanapotambiriane Brighton Makori.
Gusii. Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV. Vono na bukura yubunchulia bwao. Ase television ya Ndizi TV. Chinka kichindi chozi. Elio wikere. Abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire. Echuchira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza. Na boigo Rift Valley. Akesimi. Ase namba. Enoti sana na ibire. Inya isato. Isano nemo ibire. Isato. Isano na isato. Isano na ibire. Eyemo. Elio togo ikere. Ugose. Otutarire. Ase chia bisi chito. Echuchira nyumba ya Brighton apartment ejire busyo wechiro ya embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe. Ndizi TV ubwensu bumugushi nigo bono ya nikirundekerene nego kurengera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogo nkorbogushi niji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Makori nichisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igoiko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu vuomo Gusii. Gitari ya Bosongo Hospital ijirense yubotenenerio buya nigera tware free medical camp ensemo ya daraja 2 asinye gitariere guchakira kitariki 13 igwika kitariki 20 cyumutinyo Ikomi nigo bararuo bokoreri bwabosa buna free consultation free cervical cancer screening breast cancer prostate cancer physiotherapy oncology na koboera maute gose wound dressing boigo mbaruo bokoreri ase discount ya 50 asesemo ya free eye screening